Across the NBC Nebraska viewing area, the first snowfall of the season usually happens as we progress through the months of October and November. Here's how it breaks down. The highest elevations in Wyoming that see us, including the I-25 and I-80 corridors, and the cities of Wheatland, Chugwater, and Cheyenne, usually see the first snowfall between October 1st and 15th. As we move east into the lower elevations, areas receiving the first average snowfall in the second half of October include most of the Panhandle and Sandhills. Torrington, Scottsbluff, Kimball, Sidney, Hyannis, and Mullen are some of the cities in this time frame. Most of us see the first snowfall between November 1st and 15th. North Platte, Broken Bow, Lexington, Ogallala, and Imperial in central Nebraska are included in this category, but also cities like Valentine, Chadron, Gordon, and Oshkosh usually get their first snowfall in the first half of November. Finally, there's a little area where the first snow happens in the second half of November, basically from Curtis and off to the south, and Palisade and off to the east. Now, how much snow do we typically see during an average winter? In a line from Oshkosh to Broken Bow and points off to the south, the average snowfall is 24 to 30 inches. As we progress north into the Sandhills and west into the Panhandle, we will increase the average snow amounts. Sidney, Arthur, and Tryon are some of the cities that typically pick up 30 to 36 inches annually. Continuing this pattern, you can see typically the earlier it starts snowing, the more snow an area gets. Cities in the 36 to 42 inch range include Scottsbluff, Valentine, Alliance, Chadron, and Gordon. The Kimball area, as well as Sioux County, north of Scottsbluff, and a little patch of western Cherry County, pick up typically between 42 and 48 inches of snow annually. And as you go west of Kimball, out toward Cheyenne, there's an area of 48 to 60 inches of snow. Something else to notice on this map is areas where the terrain has a higher slope up as you go from east to west usually are areas where more snow falls. For NBC Nebraska, I'm Chief Meteorologist Justin Fanfarelli.